Hey everybody, this is for stats. This is creating a modified box and whisker plots. I'm also talking about range and IQR. They kind of go together. So a couple tips. You must make your scale first. Remember title and labels. I'm going to be drawing with a mouse screen, so I don't know if I'll be as good at the title and labels. Here's the data I have. Let's just say it's a number of pets. That way you can have something to label it. And then I looked at this data, I put it into a calculator, found it by hand, however you want to do it. I found the 5-number summary. Min, max, median, and then half. I could even just jot down. Min, max, median, because it's the middle number. And then I have to find the median of the low half, which is halfway between those guys. That's 2.5. And the median of the high half, which is halfway between these two guys. It's because I'm using this part for the high half, this part for the low half. That was 5. I'm going to erase this because it looks like all crazy now. Okay, now that I have my 5-number summary, I can make a box plot. This is for a regular box plot. First things first, you must make a scale. Make it easy. I want it to have easy numbers that fit all my data in them. So this goes up through 12. I'm going to, if you're doing a really fine job, maybe do 2s. I'm going to be lazy and go 0, 5, 10, 15. And we have our scale. You can call this pets, number of pets. You also put a title up here. We'll do some analysis of box plots soon. I need to come up with a good example for it first. Probably put a free response up here. But first thing first, I'm going to do minimum and maximum. You don't need to use different colors. I'm just doing it for your sake. Minimum is 1, maximum is 12, so about here. I already started quartiles with green, so Q1, 2.5, it's about here. Q3 is 5. And the median, I guess I'll do it in blue for fun, it's at 3. So it's actually really close to this guy over here. So now you're thinking, it's a box plot where you have a bunch of lines. Well, you connect the quartiles, and you have the box, you do the tail, and you got the whiskers. So this is a standard box and whisker plot. This is actually not what we want to end on. We're making a modified box and whisker plot, which means I need to show outliers. So in my other outlier video, I used the same set of data, and we discovered 12 was an outlier. So what I need to do is I need to actually erase this a little bit. I need to mark that 12 as an outlier. I'll mark it with a little dot or a star or something. And then I take this up to my next highest point, so up to the 6. So 6 is probably about here. And this out here is still your maximum. It doesn't change anything about what your max is. This is not your max. This is actually, the 6 is your second highest point. And then we're going to now address 2 things. The interquartile range. I'm going to type a couple things here. The interquartile range, or IQR. That's Q3 minus Q1. It's in the notebook. And it's written as a single number. So we write that as 5 minus 2.5, which equals 2.5. So the IQR is all represented on the picture with a yellow highlighter. It's this distance. And then the range is just the maximum minus the minimum. So that's just max minus min. So that's biggest point minus smallest point. And I told you, this guy right here, he doesn't count. The blue star is still our max. So it's going to be max minus min. It's going to be 12 minus 1, which is 11. You write it as a single value. So I don't just say 12 minus 1. I actually have to write equals 11. And then I'll show you that visually too, and then we can call it good on these and do maybe a box plot analysis for response question. So max minus min is this whole distance. The green is the range. The yellow is the IQR. Hopefully that helps. Talk to you guys soon.